Hi everyone, today let's break down the different times of the day from dawn to night. 1. Dawn. Dawn is the moment when the sun is just below the horizon and the sky begins to brighten. It's the first light of the day. 2. Morning. Morning is when the sun rises and it's the start of our day, lasting until midday or noon. 3. Noon. Noon is exactly 12 p.m., the middle of the day, when the sun is directly overhead. 4. Afternoon. Afternoon follows noon, stretching from 12 p.m. until the sun starts to go down in the early evening. 5. Dusk. Dusk happens right after sunset, when the sky is still light but fading into darkness. 7. Evening. Evening is the time after dusk, usually from around 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. It's a time for relaxing after the day's work. 7. Night. Night starts when it's completely dark, marking the end of the day and lasting until dawn. And that's how the day is divided. From dawn to night, each part has its own charm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our English Planet channel for more English learning.